How to use Binance Simple Earn quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with Binance Simple Earn. So let's get into it. Now, to get started with Binance Simple Earn, you first have to create your own Binance account, and you can do that with an email address. Once you have created your account, you actually have to complete identity verification for you to be able to get started with trading on Binance. So for that, you will have to go into your identification section over here. And from here, you will have to use a ID card, a passport, or a driver's license, whatever you might have at hand. And you're just going to take a picture and upload that and wait for approval. It usually is approved within a day. And after your Binance account has been approved, you can begin trading and selling or earning money on Binance. So once you have completed those steps, you can go into Binance Earn and take a look at the different ways that you can earn money on Binance. So crypto is an amazing way to earn money, and especially now when crypto prices are lower than ever, it might be the best time for you to invest in crypto because the prices will soon go back up and it will increase your profits quite a lot. So to get started with that, the first thing you want to do is to deposit money into your wallet. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into wallet, you can go into your overview, and you can go into spot/fiat. So spot/fiat basically means USDT, USD, or BNB, whatever kind of crypto token chain that you're on. You're simply going to click on deposit over here, and you can deposit fiat. So later on, once you have deposited fiat, you can actually go on ahead and convert that into any kind of crypto tokens. So you can use your fiat to purchase any kind of crypto token that you want. So that is the first thing that you are going to do whenever you are looking to get started with earning money on Binance. Once you have deposited fiat, you can go into the earn section over here, and you're simply going to click on Binance Earn. So from here, you can see the different ways that you can earn. So you have simple earning, you have staking, farming, and dual investment. For someone that is a beginner and wants to keep their investments or their crypto tokens as safe as possible, going into the simple earn section is the best for you. So you're just going to go into the simple earn section. From here, you can get stable earnings by depositing assets for a number of times. So you can see over here, there are so many different tokens that are available. And what this basically means, if you click on subscribe, is that you're going to enter the amount of tokens that you're going to hold for these amounts of days, and you're going to be getting an interest on your tokens. So it's kind of like holding your money in like a savings account in the bank. It's pretty similar to that. It's very much like the same principle because you're just going to input your money and they will hold it for a certain amount of time. And depending on how long you are getting your money held on, you will be given a different APR. So the APR is the average percentage yields that you're going to get. So the longer period of time that you hold your money in for, usually the more money you're going to make. However, you might be seeing sometimes the lower days are showing up with higher APRs. The reason for that is maybe devaluation of the token. So that is something to keep in mind when you're locking your money for a certain amount of time. Then it's very likely that the price of that token might fluctuate. So if I locked my money in for 120 days, and even if I'm getting like a 20% APR, a interest per yield, so if I'm getting an ROI of 20%, if the currency or the crypto token that has depreciated by 20%, then that 20% means nothing to me because it's basically just covering the loss of the crypto token instead of giving me some actual more increase in my crypto wealth. So that is just something to keep in mind whenever you are investing in crypto tokens. However, Simple Earn is flexible as well. So you can see all of these token subscriptions are available for a flexible version as well. And you can go on ahead and auto subscribe to a certain token. So you can invest in a token after a certain number of days. And you can choose the flexible version, click on subscribe. You can enter the amount of tokens that you want to put in. And what flexibility allows you is that if the currency or the crypto token is depreciating, you can take it out. However, the quicker you take it out, the lower your accumulated interest is going to be. Now, if you take a look at your days over here, after you have selected the days, you're just going to enter your subscription amount, and then you will also be able to see the account limit. So if the minimum is 1 dot and the maximum quota for this specific package is 5,000 dots, depending on the type of package that you select. By package, I'm referring to the number of days that you want to lock your token in for. It may or may not be available, so that is just something else you should be aware of. So once you have selected the number of days, you can just input the minimum. The minimum for 120 days is 0.001 dot, so you can enter that, and then you have auto subscribe. So you can choose to toggle this on or off. So what this does, if you toggle this on, is that after the subscription time has ended, so after the first 120 days have passed, it will auto subscribe me for the same amount, the initial subscription amount that I added again. Now this is especially helpful if you're investing in large tokens for a long period of time. However, for short-term investors, you really don't need the auto subscribe. Now after that, you will be able to see your subscription date, the value date, the interest end date, and the redemption date. The redemption date is the actual date that you will be able to regain access to your crypto tokens. After that, you have some basic disclaimers, and you're just going to click on I have agreed to the terms of service, and then you're just going to click on confirm to get started with Binance Simple Earn. Now in this way, you can choose any of these tokens. You can see they have over 300 tokens, and you can first off monitor the APRs of all of these, so you can toggle this depending on what has the highest APR presently, and then go ahead and use your spot or fiat to purchase this token and then subscribe to this token over here. And you can also go on ahead and simply go into buy crypto and buy directly via credit or debit card. However, that usually gives you a higher price, so it's better to directly purchase spot or fiat and then go into a spot trading account, and from your spot trading charts, you can purchase the crypto token of your choice, simply because you will be able to get a lower price on the token by this method. So this is just the Simple Earn version of Binance. So this is the Simple Earn. And after that, you also have other earning features like dual investments. You also have DeFi staking, auto invest. And in terms of simplicity, there are some very simple versions of other trading platforms as well. So staking and farming are two very similar things. It's basically, staking is where you just provide money or crypto tokens. It's very much like the Simple Earn. You're logging in your money. Then you also have farming. So farming also gives you, it works on pretty much the same kind of principle. And you also have dual investment. So you can choose two types of tokens together, invest in them together. Now in the earn section, you even have high yield earnings. Now in high yield earnings, you can see the target price, the estimate ATR, and the settlement date. If this target price is met, then you get your tokens for that specific price, and then you have a larger APR. So you're kind of betting on the price of a token. Then you have liquidity swaps as well. So this is going to enable you to provide liquidity, because these large exchanges, when they're making so many large trades, they want liquidity. And liquidity means, some liquid crypto tokens that they can transfer from one person to the other to provide to their new purchasers, so on and so forth. So by going into liquidity swap, you're basically providing that liquidity for this crypto platform. And that is another amazing way to earn on Binance. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Binance Earn. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.